This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Unsnap the air filter housing cover from the bottom section and remove the filter cartridge. To install, lift the air filter housing cover, align the filter in the correct orientation, and slip it into the housing. Snap the clips closed to secure the cover to the housing.